hi, I'm Riker. What's going on? Today I'm gonna talk about the first 3 varieties of dragon fruit. We have 5 total, and the first 3 are the red kinds of dragon fruit. One of them, right here, it has white in the middle. The other one has purple in the middle, and then the last one has this really nice looking red in the middle. And they're all really pretty. And this is our sunburst, and that's our yellow dragon fruit right there. And the sunburst is yellow on the outside with red orange on the outside with red in the inside. And then our yellow dragon fruit has white in the inside and yellow on the outside. And today we have a special guest that's actually a cousin to the dragon fruit, and it's called a Peruvian apple cactus. And we got it when it was this tall, and it should start producing in a few years. And we are going to, the fruit has kind of like a boogery texture, and we're hoping that it will be able to shoot up, and then we're putting this all around it, and once it gets tall enough, we're gonna start to let it just fall down, and it's gonna look really good. And our height right now is this high, and we're trying to get it all the way up there, and we're hoping that it will get there. Subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.